In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CapCut AI Clipper. This tool quickly finds the most engaging parts of your footage and turns them into ready-to-use highlights, which is perfect for repurposing long videos into short, punchy clips without manual scrubbing. Start by opening CapCut. You can use the desktop app or the web editor. Either works for this walkthrough. Give the editor a second to load your workspace so all the panels and tools appear. If you already have a project open, that's great. If not, a fresh project will do just fine. Next, head to the Media section. This is the library where your video files live inside CapCut. You'll see your available assets in any folders you've organized. Take a moment to confirm that the footage you want to work with is visible here. If you're working with longer recordings, it can help to name your files clearly so you can spot them quickly. Now, select a clip you want the AI to analyze. Click on the video in your media library to add it into your workspace, and make sure it's selected so CapCut knows which piece of footage to work on. You can glance at the preview to confirm you've got the right file and that the audio is coming through cleanly. Clear speech and steady camera work typically produce better AI highlights. With your clip selected, click AI Clipper. Look for it in the toolbar or AI Tools panel. When you open it, CapCut prepares to scan your video for the parts most likely to keep viewers engaged, such as moments with clear speech, strong motion, or well-defined topics. The interface may show a short description of what it's about to analyze. Just let it load. Then click Get Clips. CapCut will begin processing, and you'll see a progress indicator while it analyzes your footage. When it's done, it will present suggested highlights pulled from your original video. You can play each suggestion to quickly evaluate what the AI found. Listen for clarity, check the start and end points, and make sure the pacing feels right for your style. If you're making social content, look for clips that deliver a complete thought in a short time frame. A couple of quick tips as you review. If your original audio is noisy, consider choosing segments where your voice is the most distinct. If your video includes multiple topics, prioritize clips that stand on their own without needing extra context. And remember, you can always run AI Clipper on different sections of the same recording to compare results. That's all you need to get meaningful highlights from your footage with CapCut's AI Clipper.